If you're not thinking about moving to Palm Coast or Palm Bay, Florida, then do not watch this video. But if you are thinking about moving to Palm Coast or Palm Bay, Florida, you might actually find this to be one of the most valuable videos you've ever watched. Today, I'm going to feature a fantastic builder called INB Homes. That's India, November, Bravo for you military folks. I'm going to feature this model home behind me here. And what's so cool about this builder is, number one, they build concrete block homes, full concrete block construction. They're quick move-in homes, so they're ready to go. When you're ready to pull the trigger, they have a home ready for you. They build on scattered lots here in Palm Coast and Palm Bay, Florida. Almost all of the homes that they sell are going to have a nice 3-car garage. These homes have 9-foot ceilings, no carpet in there whatsoever. They include all the appliances, stainless steel and guttering, enclosed patio, screened in patio in the back. It's on city water, city sewer, no septic system to worry about. But I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this beautiful Venice Plus home. Their homes are going to range in square footage from between 1,500 to around 2,000 square feet. We're going to get started with our walkthrough right now. This is a pretty big deal. INB Homes has the prestigious designation of being a Grand Award winner in the Flagler Home Builder Association's Parade of Homes. Now we're going to start our walkthrough of this beautiful Venice Plus home. This one is 2,000 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a 2-car garage, and it's right at 2,000 square feet. Let's get started. Okay, here's your 3-car garage. As you can see here, you've got architectural shingles on the roof. This house is concrete block construction. It's going to have 8-foot door openings, 9-foot ceilings. Of course, you can add gutters. That's definitely an option. You have this beautiful, nice, deep, overhanging front entryway with these beautiful archways. Let's go inside. And let me also add, very important point, there is no carpet in any of their homes, no carpet whatsoever. It's all solid surface flooring. All right, looking back at the front entryway, they have this section here of the home set up for dining. You can see that you have LED can lights and these really high 9-foot, they're actually 9-foot 4-inch ceilings. We're going to start off with this first room, which is basically, they've got it set up as an office for the sales folks, but this is bedroom number 1. It's got a smart thermostat, had a smart doorbell in the front. Again, looking at the main living area here, all of your light fixtures are included. They do also include ceiling fans. All of your appliances are included. The washer and dryer, let's just say that can be negotiated quite possibly. You're gonna have no Formica whatsoever. It's all gonna be either quartz or granite counters in the bathrooms, as well as the kitchen. You're going to have a tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances again. This is the entrance in from your 3-car garage. This is your laundry room. Of course, you've got beautiful pendant lights. Get you another good look here at the kitchen. They've got the lemons here, classic and for good luck. This is bedroom number 2, which it looks like they have a queen size bed in here. Linen closet here. This will be your first full bathroom. And this has a tub shower combination with tile all the way up to the ceiling. And again, you have dual sinks in here. This will be bedroom number 2. They have this set up as a selection room. For different materials that you would pick. Real quick, my name's Jay Wike. I'm a local Florida realtor. We're gonna put my contact information up on the screen, my phone number and email address. You can give me a quick text if that's easiest for you. Reach out to me. I'll be the person that reaches back out to you. And I hope I can always help you make a smooth move to the Jacksonville, Florida area. Let's keep going with the tour. Just another good look at the kitchen and the main living area here. This is a covered Lanais, which is super nice because your roof line goes all the way out over this area. That's a structural thing that is included as part of their homes. You can get them the patios screened in. You've got 3 panes on the slider here. Very nice. And here we are in the owner's suite. Plenty of room in here. They've got this set up for some lounging. You can have your morning coffee here. Nice setup for a desk, computer area. Looking back at the owner's bedroom, you have a king-size bed here with nightstand, so you can get some idea of the scale of this room. You have a closet here to the right. Closet to the left. Again, solid surface flooring continues. Beautiful granite countertops with dual sinks. Plenty of room here. Nice transom window, allowing all that natural light to stream in. Nice place here, inset for your linens. You've got a beautiful frameless shower that's tiled all the way up to the ceiling with a rain shower head. And of course, here is your throne room water closet. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope to see you around Jack's.